Oh yeah, that back-to-back action. We just swiped the 46 triple at 7 a.m. It's time to run it up. Let's get it.
I'm praying that you catch this, I don't overthrow. True, my heart was super cold like it's polar snow. Ooh, I went to top shelf from the lower row. Now I'm filled with the spirit and I overflow.
It's 12:30. Well, it's 12:40 now. And we at 138 for the day. 138 for the day. So, but I had to take a quick pit stop. Oil light has been on for like 2 days. Anyways, while on that subject, people who ask me like, what about the maintenance on your car? Aren't you putting a lot of miles on your car? And I'm like, listen, because it's making me money. And if it's making me money, then it makes sense, right? Put it this way, you're gonna put those miles on your car at some point in time. So for me, as long as I'm making money doing it, I could care less. All right, so we back on the road. It's 1 o'clock. And yeah, that was only took like 30 minutes, not even. My mechanic fast, yo. If you in this game, yo, you better get yourself a good mechanic, a fast, good mechanic. My mechanic be whoop, 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 we out. Be ready to get that money. We back on the road. We looking for another batch. Camera's about to die, but we gonna see how much more we can run it up today. It's 1 o'clock. Let's get back to it. I'm gonna see y'all when I swipe a banger. Let's get it. Hey, so we got some good news. I just swiped a 53. All right, so this is what I mean by moving around, because this 53 shop is in a total another town. My mechanic is closer to this place over here, and I swiped this batch leaving his spot. So yeah, that's how it works. You got to move around. And honestly, this is like about 35 minutes away from my house, but hey, it's a 53 shop and the delivery is a mile away from this store. Let's get it. We are about to deliver this order. Finished it in record-breaking time. You already know, every order in record-breaking time, unless it's a store I don't know. But I've been to this store a few times. Cool thing about this batch is that it is going against traffic. So I had no traffic, literally 5 minutes to the house. That's another thing that you guys have to know when doing this Instacart stuff, or any delivery app for that matter, is know your city, know traffic, know how it works, because that is big on making that extra income versus not making that extra income. Got to know the traffic game. So yeah, I know the traffic game. I knew to come this way to this store to do this batch, and now we're delivering it. 5 minutes away, 53. Let's get it. Oh yeah, and another one. Oh yep, I don't know if y'all can see that. We are still in this other city. So we in this other city. I haven't left it yet, right? And I did a rookie mistake. Let me tell y'all the rookie mistake I did real quick. I went and got lunch. I didn't pack my lunch. I was in there looking for something to eat. Took me about 45 minutes, literally. And then I finally found something and ate. So altogether, I spent about an hour and some change, like an hour, 20 minutes in total, man. That's a rookie mistake. Pack your food, man. But, after I ate, I swiped a 63. So let's get it. We swiped a 63 Costco. We at their Costco. We're gonna run it up. I've shopped this Costco probably like twice. So it is what it is. So if you live in this city, tap bars in your city. I'm taking sandwiches. Let's get it. Here we go. Boom. Y'all see that? Today's earnings, 320. And better yet, let me go here. All right, so let's go here so y'all can see the date. Y'all see that? Monday, October 25th. Boom. 321. 321. 321. Y'all see what it is.